Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today I wanted to share a recipe that we created with our potato harvest. This past weekend we dug up all of our potatoes. We had some fingerling potatoes and some sweet potatoes, which we'll use later. But in this dish we used our little potatoes and a bunch of carrots. And I'm so impressed with our carrots this year, and they've been great to have with our chickens. Our chickens love the carrot greens. And we also harvested some green beans for this meal. This warm root vegetable and green bean salad is a perfect side dish to any meal. And this dish came together just by walking through our garden, just seeing what was available, what could we harvest, and roasting root vegetables and tossing it in a vinaigrette with some herbs. So delicious. There are a couple components to this meal, but I'll show you how easy it is to put this together at home. After your potatoes and carrots and garlic have been roasted in the oven, you will be tossing them in a vinaigrette, and we'll get to all of the ingredients in a minute. And you'll add in your green beans, and that's it. And if you think this meal looks delicious, keep watching and I'll teach you how to put this meal together. First, you'll want to grab a sheet pan and drizzle on some olive oil. And then cut your carrots in half and add them to the sheet pan. And you'll want to cut your potatoes in half as well. And with the smaller potatoes, you can leave them whole. You'll also want to add in some garlic cloves. Roasted garlic tastes amazing, and it's so delicious in this meal. And now you'll want to season your vegetables with some salt and pepper. And make sure your oven is preheated to 450 degrees. If your vegetables are looking a little dry, drizzle on a little bit more olive oil and toss them around. You'll want to make sure everything is coated evenly. And then place it in the oven. Your vegetables and garlic will be cooking for about 35 to 40 minutes. And while it cooks, we will be getting our vinaigrette ready. You will need to chop or mince 3 cloves of garlic. And then add it to a bowl. Remember the bowl that you're using, you will be adding your roasted vegetables to it. So make sure it's big enough to hold everything. You will then be adding about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And then sprinkle in some salt and pepper. And then add about a tablespoon of champagne vinegar. And then drizzle in some honey. and then whisk it around. Once everything is combined, you will be drizzling in some olive oil. So keep whisking and drizzling in olive oil until you get a creamy consistency, and make sure to taste it. Make sure it has a great flavor. And the herbs that we will be using is tarragon and dill. That combination tastes amazing. We were at a restaurant before COVID, and we had a salad that had dill and tarragon, and it was the best combination. So now with a lot of our salads, we use this combo. So you want to chop up those herbs and then sprinkle them in. And then whisk it together and set it aside. And now it's time to cook your green beans. You will be cooking them in boiling, heavily salted water for about 2 minutes, and then shock them in some cold water to preserve their green color and their snap. And then you'll want to cut off the stems and cut them into a couple pieces, and then add them to your bowl with your vinegarette. After your vegetables have been roasting for about 35 to 40 minutes or until crispy, add them to your bowl with your green beans and toss them around. Make sure everything is coated in that yummy vinaigrette, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. If you're harvesting carrots right now and maybe some potatoes and green beans, give it a try. And remember that tarragon and dill taste amazing together. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and leave us a like if you enjoyed this video. And stick around because we have some footage from a recent harvest. Thanks so much for watching. It's late August and the weeds and the volunteer plants are growing everywhere. Now we are just focusing on harvesting at this point, not maintaining the weeds. We still have tomatoes that are ripening, green beans, and all kinds of stuff. We've also been dealing with a lot of bees in our garden. I love bees, but this year, this is the first year that I've been stung multiple times. So I have to be cautious when we're harvesting. I am already thinking about next growing season, and I really want to focus on growing interesting stuff, different kinds of tomatoes and peppers. I'm so excited. We have really enjoyed our little tomatoes. This plant here is our Mexico midget, I believe, and this thing is huge. We have a pepper plant underneath it, and we were growing some leeks, which we've used all of our leeks now. But that pepper plant got swallowed. So, note to self, always find out how big your tomato plant is going to get before planting it. We've created many dishes with these little tomatoes, and I'll be sharing some videos in the future. And this is our first year growing calabri, which is pretty cool. And one thing you need to try is fennel flowers. They are so good. Thanks for watching.